Follow your soul. It knows the way. You may have heard this before, but how do you know when you're following your soul, or what we might call our higher self today? It means that you live your life day to day through what you enjoy. In other words, follow your joy. When you feel good, you're in resonance with your soul. It's that simple. In ancient Kemet, these processes were not difficult to understand. They believe the more simple it is, the closer to the truth you are. But simple does not mean it will be easy to execute. Following your higher self is not for the faint of heart. When you get to that fork in the road, the easy path may be the wrong one. You take the easy path because it's the one that's in your comfort zone. I know from experience that having to choose between staying on a job that I hated, which would have been the easy path, or striking out on my own again after I had failed 2 times before was a difficult, gut-wrenching choice. I battled it. But in the end, I was courageous enough to trust that call and go after what would be joyful for me every day. It was a tough decision, but it was the best decision of my life. Do you trust that call, or do you chicken out and take the easy path that's safe and predictable? There's no right or wrong here, but the question that will be in your life review is, did you leave here with regrets? In other words, will you live your life wondering, what if? What if I had have done this or tried that? To me, that is the worst life that can be lived. One that you look back on with regret. You played it safe, but did you live? My choice has been to live life on the edge of my comfort zone. I believe it's better to burn out than rust out, but that's my journey. I know for a fact I will not look back on any part of my life and ask, what if? That's because I've taken risk. I've gotten my ass kicked a few times, but damn, I've lived and I'm loving life right now. How about you? Let your joy be your guide to follow your soul. It knows the way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with anyone that will be consciously elevated and vibrationally uplifted by this.